Next, I'll show the quick chart feature to quickly get insights into your data. I'll do a quick chart on the manufacturer and average price. Here I get a quick chart of my data, and I can see that Morgan, high price, that looks good. Ferrari, yes. Tesla, GMC, that looks odd. Jeep, and Chevrolet. Something is obviously off with my data set. If I go back here and quickly apply a new bucket to price, or I want a bucket by $100,000, quickly filter on price from 0 to 100,000, and do a quick chart report again on manufacturer, average price. I can now look at my data and see Morgan is still high, Ferrari is still high, Porsche, Tesla, Rover. I can see GMC, Jeep, and Chevrolet are now at more reasonable levels. I can also quickly make a report on this data so I can narrow in on my data. I can do searches, sorts, etc.